Spec. Get on them. Get on them.
Yeah, boy! Got one.
Got one.
Oh, we got a flock of white right here.
Oh shit, yeah we do. Let him come back. They're low.
Up front?
Your side, left side. Oh, yeah.
Right on your left.
Right out front. Yeah, right out front.
You ready, boy?
Low.
Goddamn, should we go?
Try them.
Go!
Wedge. Good shot. Fucking good shot. Whoever shot that. Was that you, Oli?
I think I hit that
think
one.
He shot one. We got two, right?
Yeah. Where'd the other one go?
Oh, I don't know about.
They both fell.
One went out back. I don't know where. Oh god. See ya.
Oh god, yeah.
There's so many lines coming.
I know. Low up front is a full line. Camera on the section. 3 or 4 of them all.
Look at these low juvies just.
Stack still coming?
Yeah, the juvies are joining up with them on the left.
Getting low on the flat. Low up front. Out front, boys, low. Get ready, boys.
Here it is.
Into it, Oli.
Yes! Let's go, boys! Get down and load up. Get down and load up. They're gonna come right back. Let's go. Kill him.
Oh, God.
Don't. You got? We're killing snows today, but they started a huge feed right behind us, so they're kind of not going to us anymore. We got a few good flocks in the morning right away, and now they're all just kind of going to that feed, so you can just hear them. Unreal. But I don't know, we're gonna switch with some stuff up with the spread, make a little hole, and then hopefully get some more flocks. But yeah, I think we shot into one group of juvies. Only shot like 6 or something, but I don't know. We had some more working. We were just kind of getting greedy, trying to get a bunch of birds. Alright guys, I'm just gonna come on here and say that we did not get enough clips for this video that you guys just watched, so I am gonna combine another video with this one, and this is a pretty fun one. I just didn't get enough clips to make one video, so I'm gonna combine 2 videos, and then yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this second part of the video.
Just pretty, right?
Mm-hmm.
a little bit sooner, Greg. What's up right here? There's 4.
You might go on the 2. Get him, boy! Oh, triple!
Where's that juvia? It's so good.
Juju! Yes! Yes!
Yeah, they're getting there.
Kill him! I was shooting at the back too.
Yeah, no, I got that blue.
Yep. Get him, boy! Look at the hole. Right up front. Kill that line.
One more?
He's coming out back, right out back here. Get him. Did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh, heads up, heads up! Oh. Oh! Oh no, Ross! Yeah! Oh my god. That's an adult, isn't it? That's an adult Rossi. Can't stop me right now, boys. What are we doing? Mouth calling snow geese. Slowly. I don't even know. Like, we're just shooting 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. Makes for some fun shooting. I mean, look at this guy right here.
Barn doors open.
Kill that bird. Oh, Nova's eating right now.
Let's go.
Yeah, I need my.
Two on the right.
Yeah.
Kill the 2. How'd you not get that second one? Oh, right up front. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Let's mow him down.
Oh, are you shooting? One shell?
Go! Shoot the 3!
Good shooting, boys.
Oh.
Get him, get him!
I got him.
It's an adult. Oh no,
That's a Jew.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, one right up front.
Oh yeah, he's doing it.
Oh my god, on the right.
Good shooting, boys.
Yeah.
Single.
Out of the top 4.
Yeah.
Single? Yeah. More joining. Down the 3. Mow down the 3 up front.
No. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Load up. Wait, Nick. Wait. Get him out.
No way, bro. Shoot that one up top.
Good shot. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, this is what we ended up with. What do you gotta say, Brix?
Not enough tubes. We need to quadruple that.
multiply that by 2, and then it'll be fired up out of a pile of snows. But no, it's good to knock some rust off and be out in the field with the boys. Just us 4 again today, so it's a good time. Bright sun, west wind, looking right into it all morning, but Chupak don't care. They were a lot of small groups, 1Zs, 5Zs, 10Zs. But once we get some colder weather and birds start to group up a little bit more, then we'll start chasing the wads. But until then, we'll just keep picking away at 1Zs, 2Zs. It's a good time. Boys racked through some shells today, so.
Langer, what do you think?
It's fun. Shooting whitebirds again, can't complain. Small flocks. Oh well.
It's
Still
fun,
hot.
eh?
Still shooting. I'm just glad to be here.
It was fun though?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Yeah, so we ended up with 62 birds, and yeah, I don't know, this is the end of our weekend, but yesterday we shot 70, so I don't know, not too bad, but still a bit early yet. So yeah, I don't know, we're gonna load up all these birds and go get them clean and then get headed home. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya!